get some sun, baby, it's time to go. We can shine, shine a little tonight. Shine a little tonight.
Here, and today we're going to be working on a 24-inch by 36-inch canvas. I've taped off my back. Right now I just have it resting on the counter, but I will elevate it on 4 cups after we get the base coat on there. I have this beautiful shade of a blue that we are going to be using as our base coat. There's a little something in there, so we are going to get this down. It's going to get a little messy, I think. And we're gonna spread it out. I have, let's see. So I have approximately 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13 or 14 colors that we are going to be playing with here. The first is Arteza's yellow green. And then I'm going to come in with a little bit of their light sap green. Oh, we'll try a little bit of this Prussian blue. All right, what else should we do? We'll do a little bit of gold. This is Pebio's iridescent gold. All right, come in with a bright orange. And maybe a coral. And a pale metallic pink. I'll come in with white. And maybe some 24K gold. I'm going to follow that with some of the green. And then the Prussian blue again. And I've got my swiping stick here. No, I'm not going to use that one. I'm going to use this one. And we are going to give it a go. Well, actually, I'm going to put a little around it. All right, so here we go. We have the little unicorn twirls there, and I just covered it up. All right, so I'm gonna come and I'll bring this back. I'm gonna leave that just as is. And we're going to start a second puddle. So this time, I think I'm gonna start, let's do some white. come in with some gold. And with this bright, wonderful, burnt orange color. We got some wonderful cells going on there, but we'll probably kick them off. Come in with a little bit of metallic sapphire. All right, and a little bit of white. Do that. Love the coral in here. I think I'm gonna do one more puddle for now. Definitely gonna start this time with the orange. And some of the gold. I really love the bright colors against everything. Some great contrast going on here. I'm gonna come in with the Prussian blue. And I have this aqua color here, which I think is a great addition. And let's do a little bit of this blue. Pretty light blue we got going on there. What else? Well, let's do a little bit of coral. Maybe some more of that beautiful burnt orange, because I really want it to pop. Little of the base coat around it, just so that I don't clear off the canvas. All right, so I'm loving details in all of these. They're super pretty. I feel like I need to add a little bit of that bright aqua over here because it's on the darker side of things on this side. I'm gonna come in with a little bit of the coral. And then I'm going to come in with some of the Prussian and see how we do. Yeah, we'll wing that. So what we're going to do is we're going to tilt this down. Just like that. Totally digging. All of the colors are like amazing on here. I'm actually just gonna, no, I'm not gonna do that. I was gonna put it on there, but. So I do like the turquoise in here now. I'm gonna give this all a torch. Lots of air bubbles going on. All right, so here is the overhead lights. No, all right, so here it is. I'm digging it so far. I'm really looking forward to seeing it dry. I'm gonna turn off the overhead lights. There you go. So we will check out the dried results, hopefully next, if not in my next video. But these colors, I'm loving them on this background with the gold and everything. And yeah, it's gonna be cool. So I'm happy with this. I love the colors. They're nice and bright. What else? I don't know. You guys have a wonderful day. Okay, guys, here we are. Don't mind my shadow. But all these colors in here are metallics. This yellow is actually metallic gold by Pebeo, and it's got this beautiful shine on it. I'm super pleased with the end result of this piece. I wanted to bring it outside for better lighting, but it snowed all day and I didn't want to get the piece wet before I varnished it. But here it is in its colorful, fun glory. And over in here, I'm just trying to show you all the little details. There are a ton of them. But listen, I'm going to try and do that in the next video. I'm going to try and get outside in some sunlight. Hopefully the weather cooperates, although it is winter here, so you never know. And go from there. In the meantime, if you want to learn this technique and all the doodling and all the extra fun stuff that goes along with it, consider coming to the Fluid Art Boutique in Santa Fe, New Mexico. Tickets are on sale right now through Mardi Gras at 10% off. Just use Mardi Gras as your code word. The link below, is where you can connect to all the classes. Up next is Kelly Stoll of Feral Art. I hope you guys have a great day. Ciao.